it just felt like cooking. Yeah, right now, about to grill up some chicken with this Chef Merito's. Check it. All right, so I got a pack of boneless, skinless leg meat here. Whole leg quarter that they just debone and take the skin off. Got it seasoned liberally with a couple tablespoons of this Chef Merito's chicken seasoning. The Pollo, yeah. This stuff is good, and I know I posted like a little clip or something, and grilling up some chicken that I took for work, but this is for the crib, so I'm about to throw this on the grill. All right, so I got some of this Kingsford Charcoal, just some regular Kingsford. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. We're gonna do that one. Yeah, let's fix this up. And, let's get this other one on there. We're gonna flip what will be the drumstick towards the fire, towards the hotter end. And all right, there it is. We're gonna cover this up and let it do its thing. Oh yeah, we got some smoke in the air. Let's check this bird. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, I already came out here and flipped it once. So, yeah. All right, it's coming along good. Got some chicken here. All right. So when you're dealing with these kind of grills, remember up in the front is the hottest part. You know, that's when you got the bulk of your coil at and your heat. So you want to keep the thicker part up, sample piece. You want to keep the thicker part of your meat towards the front. All right, back in a minute. All right, so it's about time to start saucing. This chicken is almost done. This is what I'm saucing with, some of this Kroger brand. This is like the generic brand coming out of Food for Less and probably Ralph's too. Sweet and tangy, and as you can see, great on chicken. So this chicken is done. As you can see, it is nice and smoky and grilly. Sauced it up with this Kroger barbecue sauce, the real flavor. Sweet and tangy, sweet barbecue sauce with a burst of tangy vinegar. Great on chicken. I got some chicken. This is supposed to be great on it, so we're gonna find out. All right, so my coals are still hot. And before I get to the side, I'm gonna whoop up. I'm about to throw something back out on this fire. Where are you going? Big ass lizard. Like this motherfucker too big for me to touch.
Daddy, what happened?
It's a lizard.
I want to see.
No, it's too big. Oh yeah. About to grill up a couple pieces of bologna. Yeah, and I went ahead and cut a little X in the middle so they don't balloon up. Yeah, don't judge me. Grilling up some bologna here. I said don't judge me. I mean, the coals is already hot. You know, I'm about to get in there and whoop up a good little side real quick. If I can get that one. Okay. Look at that. Whoo, look at that, boy. That's what you want. Good charred up bologna. Alright, I'm gonna finish this up before it burns. Back in a minute. Grilled bologna. Oh yeah. If you haven't grilled bologna, I recommend it. Let's get on with this side. Okay, so for my side, I got this about a pound of chopped broccoli. And it's frozen. I'm gonna go ahead and I got this in the skillet just by itself. Nothing else in it. I want it to defrost and I want some of that water to evaporate. Alright, so you see that broccoli starting to steam and it's starting to stick a little bit. So that means a lot of the water has evaporated. So what I like to do is build me a little well. You know, a little something right there. And to that I'm adding a tablespoon or so of some bacon fat and some butter. Good old country crock. Use whatever you got. If you don't have any bacon fat, you can skip it and just use the butter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish sauteing this up. I'm going to be back showing you what else is going on with it when this bacon fat and the butter melt. Basically, we're going to go ahead and kind of like fry it in here and get it nice and get a nice good color on it. And then we're going to add some rice. And since we are cooking rice in here, we're going to be adding some water. So be sure to season it. I got my good old Goya Total seasoning. This is the one with black pepper. And, you know, season it like that, maybe a little bit more. And that's about 2 tablespoons or so. And then I'm going to add some black pepper. And that's about a good half a tablespoon of black pepper. So I got my broccoli seasoned up. And I'm going to continue to saute it up. And I'll be back with the rice. Yeah. So we're getting a little color on this broccoli. As you can see, starting to caramelize a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of this Basmati. And we're going to mix this up. We're going to get it coated in all the little fat up in there. Make sure it's nice and coated and mixed up. Okay. So we're getting it all coated in them seasonings. I had to sneeze. Get it coated in them seasonings and all the fat that the broccoli cooked into. And then to this, I'm adding, I got 1.5 cups of rice, so I'm using twice as much water. So this is 3 cups of water. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm going to mix this up. Let this come to a boil and cover it and then let it simmer. And we're going to be back adding some cheeses to it. Alright, your boy Keenan. This is your boy Keenan's broccoli and cheese rice. Keenan style. Back in a minute. Alright, so let's check this out. So you see most of that water then absorbed up in there. Still some bubbling. And since I added a little bit more water, I added a little bit more seasoning because, you know, that water is going to bland it out. And this is your boy's version of some cheese rice. I know this is like real popular in like Korea or something right now. Bad boys love American cheese melted up in some shit. But you know, we've been doing this for a while, so it's nothing new. So I'm going to go ahead, I got 4 slices of good old American, and then I'm just going to go ahead and layer some cheddar up in here, medium cheddar, not the sharp cheddar. And I think I might add 2 more right there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let this melt, put the top on it, let it do its thing. As you can see, that American is melting, but this is going to be some cheesy rice, so I'm definitely going to add some more cheese to it. Alright, so as you can see, I added 2 more pieces of American and then 2 more slices of this medium cheddar. I'm going to go ahead and let it do its thizzle, and then we're going to be back with a plate. Yeah. Your boy Keenan, straight up quick little grilled chicken dinner with your boy's broccoli and cheese rice, Keenan style. Alright, we're going to be back with a plate. Yeah. Okay, so it's your boy's, this is Keenan's broccoli and cheese rice. Yeah, it smells like the one you get out the box. It probably tastes better. And there go that grilled chicken. We sauced that with some of this right here. That Kroger brand, baby. Kroger brand. Don't fall asleep on Kroger brand. Great on chicken, and yes, it is. So here go that broccoli and cheese rice. Man, this is hot. So I'm trying to play in it to get some air circulating through that bad boy, because it's like probably, 2 degrees from hell. All right, so it done cooled off some. Definitely want to, like you burn your tongue, and then like 2 days later you wonder like you done ate some sandpaper. Broccoli and cheese rice. Look at that. And I'll be honest, I just made this up with this rice and the broccoli. My daughter wanted some broccoli. I wanted some broccoli and cheese rice. And I didn't want to buy the one out the box. I want to know how to make it. So I put this together as I was grilling the chicken. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yep. I don't think I'll be buying the one out the box anymore.
It's good.
Come on, point out. Seasoned with that Goya. And then we got that chicken seasoned with that Kroger. Mmm. 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 Man, they wasn't lying. That is good on chicken. Great on chicken. It's like that sauce was made just for chicken. Mmm. Whipped up something real quick. Real quick. Good, nice little dinner. Yeah, just that cheese and broccoli, Keenan style, that San Diego treat. All right, it's your boy Keenan. You know what I mean? Everybody be normal out there. Times is gonna get a little tight. People ain't acting right. Let's just get to it. We all see them out there, waiting for us to say something to them. Don't even take them on. Just keep doing what you're doing. Glide like a stallion with roller skates on. Be normal, be smart, wash your hands, wear your mask. Don't forget to check out my other videos on YouTube. Got Instagram going on and TikTok. Keenan just felt like cooking. Also, like and subscribe.